Hi. On the syllabus, it says that you're supposed to have an outline done for your paper by this coming Tuesday, and I didn't talk about outlines in class, so I wanted to say a couple things to you about outlines. I don't expect when you hand in an outline to receive a document that has Roman numerals and capital letters and small numerals. To me, that kind of document is usually generated after the fact. You've finished your paper, and now you're going to write an outline, and that's not very useful. So I just wanted to make the point that in the writing process, we generally have stages that we would call creative and stages we would call critical. Creative stages are those where you need to just let yourself go, write what comes out, or do what you're motivated to do, but not think too much about it. Critical stages, on the other hand, are those where you need to sit down with pen and paper or with your computer and think about things, analyze them, take them apart, put them back together. When you go through the appropriate stages of the writing process, the critical and the creative phase can't be overlapping. If you've ever found yourself in the position of having to write a paper at the last minute, you'll know that the reason you get stuck is that you can't be free enough to write because your critical mind is saying, oh my gosh, I have only half an hour left, or oh my gosh, I don't have enough ideas or energy to finish this project. Think about yourself sitting down to write a first sentence of an introduction. Nothing comes, or something comes and you erase it and you struggle with that first sentence. You're letting the critical phase impede the creative phase. So here's where an outline goes. You do a lot of creative work to get ready for a paper. You brainstorm, you do some research, you scribble ideas, and then you say, well, what's my thesis? That's a critical phase. You ask yourself some hard questions. And then you do some more research, some more thinking, some brainstorming. Then you sit down and write an outline, and all your outline is a list of steps you need to take to make your point, to get to your thesis. Just a list of topics. That's all I want for your outline. So see how well you can work on this, see what you can do, and keep in mind, all I want is a list of your topics. That will be, to me, a good outline.